you've been telling me about leading the people. Kami mga pastor, pwede mo hangyo sa Ginoo, kutob sa mahimo. Ginoo, kung mahimo lang, nga luwasak ka ng tawanan. Bisag unsa ka bugoy na Ginoo, have mercy, have you love, instead nga maglagot ka, masupot. Diba? We can always plead to God. But Moses prayed, Lord, you've been telling me that I'm leading these people, but wala ka nagsulti kung kinsa kauban mo. Yes, I know you sent your angels to drive the enemies, but you see, Moses does not settle on the least. He wants to settle on the best. Anong manununda lang, Lord? I mean, kamo siguro, may manununda ninyo, mukuyog ninyo, di ba? Okay na ni Ginoo. May problema ni. Pero si Moses, dili kontento manulunda. He wants the presence of God. You've been telling me that I have found favor in your sight. You know my name. And you're not going with us. Ingon ni Moses, neither me and your people will go. Now let me give you, here's now number one principle. Why Moses telling God, Lord, I don't want your angels. I want you to go with us. Why? Nga naman, importante kang Moses ang presensya sa Ginoo. First, Moses said, it doesn't really matter or make the difference between us, your people, and the people nga naa din ang mga pagano. Walay kalahian ang among kinabuhi kumpara sa kinabuhi ng mga pagano, mga hidden, kung dili kabuuban namo. The only thing that would distinguish between the world and we Christians is the presence of God. It's not the name of your denomination. It's not the name of your church. It's the presence of God in your life. It makes the difference. Yung ipatingala mo, adto mo sa inyong trabaho, people will watch you. And they would say, lahit lagi ka brother, lahit lagi ka sister. There's something here. Others would even keep quiet. But they see in you the difference. Let me ask this question. Did you let your light shine before men? Did you let the presence of God shine through you? Or maulaw ta kay basi paghibaw sila nga Kristohanon ta? Ikaulaw ba nato nga kita mga anak sa Dios? You remember what Jesus said? If you are ashamed of yourself and shame of me, atubangan sa many people, mabot ang panahon, dili ta kailho na tubangan sa Amahan. Amen?